So hi guys, so today I'm in this fabulous urbanization called Rusticana. It's absolutely lovely. I'm going to show you either end of the road. Now I'll just look down there. Beautiful, fabulous area this is in the countryside. Really lovely. Very special. This property has been built 35 years ago by the owner. So none of these properties are similar, you know, they're all different. So as you can see, there's a pedestrian gate there and you have off-road parking. So let me take you inside. I'm seeing this for the first time myself. So every room, every doorway is exciting to open. So you have established plants and trees, as you can see. Really lovely. Now this is the property. I'm just going to go over here so you can have a good look. So you have the gateway here. The walls are raised with hedges and that, so you have privacy. There's lights all along the walls there, and that gateway leads to the gardens. So you have your garage there and this beautiful home. So I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to have a look around this fabulous home. As you can see, there is some Andalusian tiles on the steps there. Really lovely, traditional Spanish doorway. And just above you have a light. Okay. So I've just come into the living room and it's absolutely beautiful, very spacious. You have a lovely feature fireplace there. We also have aircon, ceiling lights and fans, and we have central heating throughout this property. So I'm just going to take you through the archway and we'll have a look around this beautiful property. As you can see, lovely marbled floors. So I'm going in this first room here. So this room is being used as a dining area, okay? But this is an actual bedroom. It's the fourth bedroom, but they're using it as a dining area, just to let you see. Unfortunately, there's mirrors everywhere, so I can't hide here. So I'm going to just show you in here. So there is a few steps down here, and as we come down there is like an office area. Okay, this is what they use as the office area. This is like a second living room. You have a log burner fire there, beautiful log burner fire. Just going down the end of the room, and I'm going to pan around. So that goes out into the gardens just there, and we'll have a look at the gardens later on. Okay, it's got these double doors, very large windows which illuminate this lovely room. Here you got your ceiling lights and fans, and just here you have your radiator just under there. Okay. Throughout the house you have aircon, central heating, ceiling lights and fans. So I'm going to take you back up here now. We're back into the room, which is a bedroom, but it's being currently used as a dining area. And you have your aircon there. You have reckitt on the windows as well. So this house is absolutely stunning. Very different to anything else I've shown you guys. Now just in here you have got the bathroom. Shut the door behind me. Now just to give you an idea, you have a cupboard there, you've got your towel rail, your sink and pedestal, your mirror, you've got your bidet, and just here you have your WC, storage, and your bath with your shower. It's all fully tiled, as you can see, and you have a clear screen, shower screen on the bath. Okay, so let's go on. Now just in here is another bedroom. So this is a nice large bedroom. It also has your aircon. It has insect screens on the windows, which I haven't mentioned before. You've got your rehas and your blackout blinds. Just here you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobes. And of course your radiator, which is covered in nicely. Okay. It's a lovely big house. So guys, I've just come out of those two bedrooms and I'm going into that room over there, which is the kitchen. So I'm going to have a look in there. Later on, we've got two more bedrooms, which I believe have en suites. So they're quite exciting to see as well. So just going in here. So as you can see, I've just come into the kitchen. You have some storage cupboards here, dishwasher, granite work surfaces. You have two sinks there with a water filter tap, lights under the cupboards, and you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got a gas hob and an electric oven. Really nice. A very large kitchen. And you've got blinds there on the windows with very decorative recess. Okay, just going to pan around for you. Got your wine rack, your microwave, and your very large fridge freezer. Really nice large kitchen, beautiful flooring, and of course you've got your central heating there as well. And just above you have spotlights. Okay. So let's go in and have a look around the other bedrooms of this beautiful property. So as we walk out, so just in here is a large bedroom. Very nice, beautiful chandelier. You've got aircon and you've got your central heating in here as well. Just going to pan around for you guys. Really beautiful home. Okay, so you've got your fitted wardrobes there with your lights and your mirror on your dressing table. This is a stunning home. I'm sure you'll all agree. Now just in here is an ensuite. So you have a corner bath unit here and a shower. You've got your towel rail there, your WC and your sink and vanity unit. Okay, you've also got your mirror there as well. Really nice ensuite. Now just in here is another large double bedroom. So this is a beautiful big bedroom as well. As you can see, you've got aircon in here as well. Okay, so you have double wardrobes there with overhead storage. And no other houses like this on this urbanisation. So just here you have your ensuite. Now it's semi-frosted glass. It's a frosted glass on the window but semi-frosted on the shower screen there. Okay, you got your WC, your sink and pedestal, your towel rail and your mirrored cupboard. Okay, So let me take you around the back area of this beautiful property. So I've just come out of the main house, and what confronts you is those stunning, amazing views. Look at them just over the pool and through the valley. Absolutely stunning. And just here, this is a lovely terrace just to sit, enjoy, friends or family having a splash in the pool and looking at those views. What could be more perfect? You may hear some birdies. We have an aviary at this property, beautiful lovebirds, which I'll be showing you shortly. And I just want to bring you around this garden. The sun is shining on the pool. Now the pool is 8x4, and if I pan around here, over there is the pool house, the pump house, and the area where you can heat the pool. So you can heat the pool if you want it hot, okay? Now just here you have table and chairs for outside dining, and of course you can do some sunbathing. So let me go over here. Now this is a lovely little extra on this property. So I'm just going in here. Now although it's a 4-bedroom house, this part of the house is used as a 5th bedroom when family comes over. It's got a sofa bed. You've also got your bar there. And you have a bathroom in here. Sink and WC. And just in here you have a shower room. So you've got all you possibly need for extra accommodation. And then of course you have the garage area. Which is down here. And this you could turn into another annex if you needed to. You know, you could put a door into the house there. The garage door could turn into a window. And this could be a kitchen, living room, bedroom area if you wanted to reform it. Okay? Now this is where you spend most of your time, because we all live in the gardens, don't we, in Spain. And you can have a barbecue with friends and family anytime you want. So just want to bring you around here. Now this bit was designed as an outside kitchen. So you could put an outside kitchen here. You've got your golf range there for all you golfers. There's irrigation in the garden. This is just a paint room. All the paint to keep your house maintained. And if I come down here, you have the tank for the central heating. And you've also got a shed. Now that sideway is the side entrance to the property. Okay, so just in here is just a storage shed. So plenty of storage with this property. So let's walk back around. Beautiful gardens, rich in plants, and the views are stunning. Lovely established trees, very manicured plants and trees, I've got to say. Here is the lovebirds in the cage, absolutely beautiful. So I'm coming back through. Absolutely a stunning property. What do you think, guys? And just here, this table and chairs leads to that lovely private living room, the second living room that I showed you earlier. Okay, and you got your wood for your log burner all stored up on the side. So guys, what do you think of this property? Isn't it absolutely spectacular? You've got those beautiful manicured gardens to the front and the back, and that heated swimming pool behind me. Absolutely stunning. This is a 4-bedroom property. Although they're using one of the bedrooms as a dining area, it is a 4-bedroom property. You have a lovely area there where you could reform. It's got a kitchen. You could turn that into an annex if you want, and you've got the other area there with the bathroom and the bar and the living area where you can just chill. So you've got 2 other ways of extra accommodation if you wanted to have them. So if you're interested in this property, don't forget I will leave the reference number in the title of the video. So when you're getting in touch, we're info@tolettoselltobuy.com. We are only a short way from the airport, Murcia International. We're about 30-minute drive from Cavera, which is Murcia International Airport, and 20 minutes run down to the local beaches, and they are absolutely stunning. We are on the Costa.Calida, near the port of Matheron. Okay, so until the next time, have an amazing day, and I see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.